What's your name? Minnie, nice to meet you. How are you today? Good. How old are you? Good. So today we're going to do a speaking test. Teacher's going to show you some pictures and ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay, good luck. Try your best. Let's start. Can you tell me, what do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Long. What do you have? What do you have? Very good job. Do you like fish? Do you like cheese? Do you like French fries? Do you like eggs? Do you like bread? Good job. Now there's a picture about some stories. Can you tell me, what do you see in this picture? What can you see? What can you see in this picture? I can see. What can you see in this picture? Very good. And what do you see in this picture? Well done. What can you taste? What can you feel? And what can you see? Are you ready? Yeah. Is the lion loud or quiet? Is the tap loud or quiet? Good job. What is it? It's a bird. What are they? What are they? Very good. How many shells can you see? How many boats can you see? Good. What are you doing? Good. What are you doing? I'm drinking. Let's look at our letters. What letter is it? 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 W. What letter is it? What number is it? 7. 17. What number is it? What number is it? And what number is it? Good job.